Josh James! Freak, man. Have you ever wondered how a snowstorm would look like? Yeah. Picked the wrong choice of a car. And today, we are being hit by our first snowstorm ever. At least for me, my first snowstorm ever in Utah. And tell you what, it's not fun on a Mini. But yeah. Man, do you know how it feels when you're driving a car and you're trying to brake and all you do is you hear your ABS come on and your tires are slipping and sliding? That's my situation right now. So I guess I might just have to rethink it. If I'm gonna stay here, I'm gonna need me some bad boys of a wheel. I gotta drive like a grandpa. No offense to all the grandpas and the grandma, but now I get the feeling close to the steering wheel. You know, you do like 5 miles an hour before you hit a stop, because I'm not one of those bad boys that have their 4x4. So, and on a this snowstorm, and I'll be sliding, slipping and sliding, and look at that. And I'm not even picking up speed, but you know what? Safety first. So, 2 things I need to do after this. The first thing is, I need to get me the right pair of shoes. And the number 2 thing I need to do, I need to get me some muscle car. You know, the Utah kind of muscle car. So then maybe I might just enjoy driving in snow. Did I drive today?
Yeah.
Yeah, I drove.
Already?
Why?
Where are you?
No, I'm about to drive. I'm about to leave the house. What's going on?
No, don't drive today.
I shouldn't drive? Why?
Yeah, it's really bad.
It's really bad? What's bad?
Like snowy, it's super snowy. And then I even slept several times. I'm scared, I'm legit scared. I'm seriously scared, so I just kind of waiting for them.
Yeah, you just say if you drive slow, that's fine.
But 2.5 hours I have to wait, so I don't know, like, I don't know if I should go. Because, like, just coming here took me, like, 30 minutes. You know, it's like 15 minutes drive, but, like, I was coming so slow, and then, like, I even...
Yeah, just drive back, baby. Just drive slow, that's it. Only when you're approaching the intersection, that's when you need to be careful. Because you have to brake and stop, so you have to start braking from a distance.
Oh, that's so long.
Yeah, just go gently and you should be fine. 1 hour later, the snow is just not stopping. I still got a win-win situation. When I left the crib, I had this. So this is not first win. I'm gonna get these snow pieces. And this is my first win. Then the second one is probably switch this to a truck. But you know what? Because that's not gonna happen today, I guess we might just make it a good day. I'm gonna head home and build a snowman with my girls. If any of you is not taking this seriously, try drive Pirelli tires on a Mini on such a snowstorm. Then you'll really know what I'm talking about. To crown it all, I got my snow gloves on. Let's do it. Just right in time for snowman. Whoa. Man, who built that one? Yuri did? You did? All right, let's build your head. When the snowstorm rages, you roll with the punches and have fun. All right, Desomi. What do we need to build? The head? Cool. Let me put on my gloves and we can get to work here. You already
Peace
done?
out.
Peace out? We just got started. All right, sweetie. How do we build the head again? All right, so the last time I built snowman, I didn't know about this rolling tactic, but I guess today I'm gonna do better. Woo! Oh, this is amazing. My goodness.
The middle body's a little too small.
Yeah. I can't imagine how much of a struggler I was the first time we ever built a snowman. Now, folks, this is what we call working smart, right, Desomi?
Yeah.
All right, let's.
It looks like a log, Daddy.
It looks like a log. We'll shape it. What we should do is make this to be the body here because it's big, and then we can put that to be the head. What do you think?
This?
No, this one. Huh? All right, then put this on top. Oh, look at that.
That was quick.
Yeah, that was quick, right? Yeah. And then we can fix it. Come on, girl, fix it. And folks, that's how you turn a snowstorm into a fun practice. No, we need one more, so okay, I'm gonna make another, the actual head.
Okay.
Head coming through. Here, I got the head. Woo! What? We get a celery for the nose. It's a unique snowman because it's a unique stone for us. So it's called celery. Huh? Ice?
And like,
Ice for what?
what?
Ice?
Eyes.
Oh, eyes. Okay. Look at
And
some
we
rocks.
need a mask. And we need a
What are we gonna
mask.
put for eyes? Do you wanna put some rocks or something?
Sure. But we're doing fine rocks. There's no really that much rocks.
Or we can give it some leafy eyes. What do you think? Yeah, let's give it some leafy eyes. Yay! Find another leaf.
I found one.
I think the snowman is coming up pretty good. Gonna give it a smile. So they saw me. I was busy, but whenever it snows, she loves to build herself a snowman. So I think, baby, did we do mission accomplished?
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Good. I think your snowman is even bigger than Yuri. So Yuri's snowman. Yeah. So I guess the celery for eyes and mouth is it's a normal thing. So Yuri's snowman, the Somi snowman. And you got some hair. Oh, cool. All right, folks, I think we made the merry of this. Besides our car troubles, you know, we fixed the snowman, we got the boots. So I guess the next thing I gotta do is go get me some truck for all this snow junkie.